In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you apply for production. After 20 testing with 14 days, we can get the apply for production button is active so that we can test. After apply for production, we will get some form and some questions. We have to fill up the form. After that, when we request submitted, then Google will review that and approve the production access. Sometimes Google not approve the production access for the testing process. We have to test professionally and with professional way, and we have to test it properly so that we can apply and Google will approve the testing. If you don't have any testing users or your friends or family, then I'll provide the professional testing services. You can contact me. I will provide the testing and help you to publish the app. I am going to apply for production from one app which is already tested with our team members actually. Let's apply for production, and I'm going to help you one of person who I helped him and he ordered me for testing. I'm just uh, created some questions and answers for it. I'm just helping him to apply for production with any desk actually. First question is here and providing second questions. Yes, he already provided that, and clicking on next, and you will see the also we got fill up the form, who is intended the audience for your app, and describe how your provides value to users, and how many installs do you expect your app have in your first year. Then we are expecting like this, then I'm clicking on next. And what changes did you make based on you learned during the close testing? We have learned lots of things actually, and some issues we have faced, and I have already informed to the developer team, so that developer team can change it. And how did you decided your app is ready for production? Many already completed working with issues found. However, I got the suggest to improve and logo and to the next update. Then clicking on next, and what is do you differently this time? Addition, let's us know what is the difficulties about testing is collecting 20 people and testing with them for all function is difficult for this time. We have checked all functionality every day and try to figure out find if there are any issues. That's it. And applying for production. We have applied for production. Here you can see that today 5 and at that time, and I have tested lots of application, like 50 plus application we have tested. And here you can see that it's AnyDesk. I am providing the service. We have tested hundreds plus application, and those are live now, and we have done lots of uh, solve issues. Actually, lots of issues solved, rejection issues, removal issues, or other issues which is regarding to Google Play Console account. So if you need any help, you can contact with me. Also, you can contact with me if you need to test build any applications, Android applications or iOS application. Also provide close testing services, and also provide web development related services. That's it for now. And here is the person I have. And if I share with you my previous testing survey, and you will see that possibly approve, yes. And clicking on the console account, you can see that lots of console account I'm managing and maintaining. I have just applied for this console account. Yes, this account also. And if I clicking on this, and you can see that this account I think approved the testing. This account also able to testing in few hours. And if I going to time expert, which is already applied, and if I clicking on this app is rejected, and if I clicking on it, then test and clicking on production, you can see that production access is ready after testing, and lots of applications